9 essential exercises every singer should start with. This is Eleonora and I'm Pierre. Hi Eleonora, I absolutely need your help. I've been trying to get better at singing, but I feel like I'm missing some basic techniques. Is there a huge difference between pros and beginners?
Great question, Pierre. Honestly, the biggest difference often comes down to just a few simple techniques. If you've got a voice, you can sing, period. You just need the right tools and some insider knowledge.
Ah, that's encouraging. Where should we start?
Let's jump right in. First, posture. A lot of teachers spend weeks on this, and why posture is important, you don't need to overthink it like those teachers. Here's the one posture you do need. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, hips over feet, shoulders over hips, head level and gaze forward.
Sounds easy enough. Why does posture matter that much?
Because your whole body is your instrument. If you're hunched over your guitar or mic, you're collapsing all the support from your core and neck. Stay tall and relaxed, navel tucked, chest lifted, and everything aligned.
Got it. What's next?
Diaphragmatic breathing. Place your hands over your stomach. Inhale and feel your belly expand outward, not your chest or shoulders. Then exhale and let your stomach come back in. That's the breath support we want for strong singing.
So, if my shoulders are rising, I'm doing it wrong.
Absolutely. Watch yourself in a mirror. Your tummy should expand on inhale and contract on exhale. No chest lifting, no neck craning. That's proper breath control.
Okay, I'll do it now. So I inhale. Hours later. Was that okay?
That was okay.
So, posture and breath, check. What else?
Relaxation. Many beginners strain when singing, especially around the larynx and tongue. Put your thumb under your chin and swallow. You'll feel that tension. During singing, you want those muscles relaxed. Same for the larynx. Feel it gently with your fingers while singing and make sure it isn't pushing up or getting stiff.
So, singing shouldn't feel tense.
Definitely, stay relaxed as much as possible. Now let's talk warm-ups. They're crucial and most singers skip them. A good warm-up clears mucus, increases blood flow to your vocal cords and makes high notes easier.
And what's a good first warm-up?
Start by speaking on pitch to find your chest voice. Use a 5-tone scale and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't try to sing it pretty and use your strong speaking voice, like you're projecting to the back of a room. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'll do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I see how that helps. And what's next?
Next, we do the lip trill. It's a great warm-up for everyone. Put your fingers on your cheeks, blow air through your lips like a motorboat, and add an ooh sound behind it. We'll use a 1-octave scale. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds.
Got it. Lips flapping at pitch. And I'll do it now.
Try to do an octave. That's good, but just keep the trills smooth through your range. If your lips stop, adjust and keep going. Once that feels good, we'll move to gi. Sing the same scale using gi as in geese. Keep the word consistent and spoken. Don't change it as you go up. Like this.
Okay, I'll do it now. Gi, 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 gi.
Try to not change it as you go up.
So, don't go all airy or falsetto.
Correctly. Let's go deeper. Many singers struggle with high notes. To target those, we use an octave repeat scale and sing it on a breathy nya, like a kid going nya nya nya. The breathy tone helps reduce tension and keeps your vocal cords connected, like this. Nya 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 nya.
I'll do it now. Nya 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 nya.
Again.
Nya 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 nya.
Try to keep it breathy. Nya 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 nya.
Nya 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 nya.
Yep, it's not pretty, but it works. Once you're comfortable with that, we'll make the sound more finished using a no vowel. It sounds closer to real singing, but still gives support. Sing no 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 on the same scale, like this. No 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 no.
I'll do it now. No 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 no. No 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 no. No 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 no. No 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 no. This is starting to feel like real singing now.
That's the point. Finally, the best all-purpose singing warm-up is me. It's the most realistic exercise for actual singing. Use the same scale and just say me, me, me clearly. If you've mastered the earlier exercises, this one will help carry your strong sound through your entire range. Like this. Me, 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 me.
Me 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 me. Me 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 me. Me 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 me. So with posture, breath, relaxation, warm-ups and these vowel drills, I'm basically building a full toolkit?
Exactly, Pierre. Work through these daily, even just 30 minutes a day, and your voice will grow stronger and more consistent. And remember, if you ever feel tension or strain, go back and reinforce the basics.
This has been amazing, Eleonora. I'm already feeling more confident.
That's what I love to hear. Keep practicing and happy singing.
Give me just a minute to summarize the 9 essentials every singer must know. Start with posture. Then diaphragmatic breathing, relaxation, speak on pitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lip trills on octave scales, speak gi on octave scales, speak nya on octave scales, speak sing no on octave scales, and sing me on octave scales. Do you want to sing yourself with real power and soul? Do you want to see how Eleonora nails opera, contemporary music, and songwriting? Then click the link below the video or go directly to superiorsingingcoach.com. That is superiorsingingcoach.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video.